GT defending.
Moat, what's the field? Long on point. Dubé standing on off stump. Very good from Mohit Sharma.
Just have a look at that. 1:30 in the morning.
Oh, very good, very good from Mohit Sharma. Comeback player of the year, comeback player of the season, whatever the outcome. Long off. Short of long on. What a
This season, Faf du Plessis hit 36. Right. Surely.
Straight. Down to long off. And just one more.